Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. Hi, I will show you how to set Apple Watch apps to update automatically. To set Apple Watch to update apps automatically, press the digital crown to see your apps and then tap the settings icon. Next, tap on App Store. Now, on App Store, make sure that automatic updates is turned on. It's that simple. I will show you how to remove apps on Apple Watch. Removing apps from your Apple Watch is very similar to deleting them from an iPhone or iPad depending on which app view you are using. First, press the digital crown on your Apple Watch to see your home screen. Next, tap and hold the app you want to remove. Tap the cross icon and then tap Delete App to confirm. If you're using the list view, swipe the app that you want to remove to the left. Then tap the red trash can button. Finally, press the digital crown to return to your normal app view. I will show you how to set optimized battery charging on WatchOS 7. Optimized setting of battery charging reduces battery aging. To do this, tap Apple Watch to Settings. At Settings, scroll down to Battery. At Battery, tap on Battery Health. On Battery Health, set it to Optimized Battery Charging. Exit Settings. It's that simple. I will show you how to change your daily move, exercise and stand goals on WatchOS 7. To change your daily move goal, exercise goal and stand goal on WatchOS 7, simply go to Activity. At Activity, scroll all the way down and tap on Change Goals. At Change Goals, you may change the move goal by tapping on the plus or minus signs. When you tap on Next, you can also change the exercise goal and stand goal. When you are done, press on the crown twice to go back to the main watch face. It's that simple. I will show you how to delete Control Center buttons on WatchOS 7. To delete or add buttons in the Control Center of WatchOS 7, all you have to do is to bring up the controller center on the watch face by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. Next, scroll all the way down and tap on the Edit button. To remove a button, simply tap on the red minus icon on the upper left corner. Any icon you remove can be added by simply going all the way to the bottom where items have a free plus icon on their top left corner. It's that simple. I will show you how to set hand washing timer on WatchOS 7. To set up hand washing timer, press the crown button and find Settings. Tap on Settings and scroll down quite a bit till you find hand washing option. Tap on hand washing. On hand washing, tap on hand washing timer toggle to the on position. Exit Settings. It's that simple. Hope you enjoy this video. Have a nice day. Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.